While the women were gone to the beach, me and my son was gone part shopping, and I scored big time. A super nice hood for the 64 Falcon project, and an excellent tailgate for my 65 Ranchero Deluxe that the inside of it's messed up. So, and some extra parts that I can sell to generate some money for the project. Well, you know, when you come to Daytona, me and Andrew's going to be out thrift shopping. You're not going to believe what I bought for my Falcon and extra pieces for my Ranchero. Big time score from a really cool guy down in, where was that we went? Palm Coast down there. Had all kinds of old cool hot rod stuff. Really nice guy. And I mean, deal. Now we got to get out here and do a little closer inspection. Wow. I did even better than I thought I did. Look how nice and solid this hood is. Of course, now this hood didn't come from Florida. It come from Wyoming. Because he bought a Ranchero, and this actually come in with it there from Wyoming. Wow, this hood is really nice. Looks like I got some little damage right here. Nothing, and it don't even have the place in it right here where your shocks mess up and come up through there on it. Looks like they had them an old shoot far moment right there on it with the carburetor. But, oh yeah, that's a really good, yeah, tickled. And again, all that stuff we got from that guy. This front panel is really nice, but they blasted cut it right here. Either because they put air conditioning on it, or because they put a fan or something on it. So I can't remember if I can really see that in behind that or not, but that's a way better valance panel than I got like 4 other ones, and none of them is this good, and they'll fit right on the project. So everything's really good so far. And there's the floor pan, the front floor pan for a Ranchero that's dang near, that thing's dang near perfect, ain't it? I mean, just got the paint peeled off of it. I don't see any dents big in it or anything, do you? Shoot. I mean, well, I've done really good on this stuff. Yeah, and the joy just keeps on going. Really nice. Got just a little bit around the drain hole on that. No, yeah, no, that's actually not. I thought it had a place there, but it's not. That's like that. Get that door, how solid that door is. Wow. And got all the guts in it. Got the felt, window, all that. Nice latch. Shoot, we scored big time today. Big time today. Alright. I still got 2 other parts. This is the other door that the outside's a little bit rough on. But boy, you talk about a nice door to take and put a skin on. Look, that thing's solid as could be in through there. We thought the glass was broke in it, but the glass is not broke. They broke a glass in it and just left it in there. So what we thought was actually the glass broke in it is the old glass broke in there. That's why that thing weighs a ton, ain't it? But yeah, look how solid that is in there too. So that thing just needs a door skin on it. You know it? And got the handles and the glass. Shoot. This deal just keeps getting better. Can't wait to get that tailgate out for the Ranchero. Do what?
The edges aren't sharp on the glass anymore.
Reckon they just never did even clean it out and just been riding around with it like that?
Yeah.
That's crazy, ain't it? I mean, really solid though. This old door might not be as bad as we think. It might just be because they just old schooled it, and maybe it was a Friday and the dang estimator just didn't put no money on it. Oh, it is. Look at that. They just didn't pull it out. Look at that. Go deep, young man. Yeah, that was one of them things, you want it right or you want it tonight. And the body man filled her full, buddy.
I bet that's when they busted the window out.
That's, yeah. Look at that. Heck yeah. I like it. That'll teach that estimator a short time, the body man. A little better look at the outside skin of that tailgate. I mean, that is incredible how solid and dry that is. So that won't be nothing. So that'll be for sure going on the old Ranchero, because mine, even though it ain't got any miles on it, my tailgate has been hit right here and it's got some damage on it. So the Ranchero, baby. What a great part score I did today, and several other things I can pass on.